Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G51, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to start, simply open up the content that I wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this, and from there hold power key and volume down at the same time. Oops, let me go back, there we go. You'll have a sound along with this pop-up right here. It allows you to do a couple of things like edit, share, what else was there? Share, use the Google Lens, delete, or capture a scrollable screenshot, which, as you can see, once you tap on it, it captures the long version of the screenshot. Now in settings, it does have a limit. It goes all the way to the bottom of it. But if you would do this, for instance, app like Instagram, it would just continuously scroll down till, well, you decide to stop it. Anyway, both of those screenshots that I've created can be found in the photo application. Let's go to library, screenshots, and you can see them right here. So this is the long one, and here's the normal one. So that is how you'd capture a screenshot, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.